Ever wondered what makes a video go viral? Or how the magic of trending hashtags and tags can catapult your content into the realm of internet stardom? Well, it's time to pull back the curtain and delve into the art and science of making your video get the attention it deserves. The first step is to understand what hashtags and tags are. These are essentially keywords that help categorize your video, making it easier for your content to be discovered by those who are interested in your topic. Think of them as the signposts that guide people to your video. Now on to the main event. How do you find trending hashtags and tags? The process is not as daunting as it might seem. It begins with research. Use platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and even YouTube's own trending page to see what people are talking about. Look for common themes, recurring phrases, or popular topics. Next, zero in on your niche. This is where specificity is your friend. If you're making a cooking video, for instance, don't just stick with hash cooking. Go deeper. Is it vegan cooking? Is it budget-friendly meals? The more specific your hashtags and tags, the more targeted your audience will be. Then, use tools. There are plenty of online tools available that can help you discover trending hashtags and tags. Sites like Hashtagify and RightTag can provide valuable insights into what's trending in your niche. These tools can also help you understand the popularity and potential reach of each hashtag. Once you've gathered your hashtags and tags, it's time to incorporate them into your video. Use them in your video's title, description, and even in the video itself. Remember, the goal is to make your video discoverable. But keep in mind, while hashtags and tags are important, they are not the only factor that will make your video go viral. High-quality content, engaging storytelling, and consistent uploads also play significant roles. So, to recap, start with research, focus on your niche, utilize online tools, and incorporate your findings into your video. Remember, specificity is key, and while hashtags and tags are critical, they are part of a larger strategy that includes quality content and consistency. So go forth, harness the power of trending hashtags and tags, make your video discoverable, and who knows, the next viral video might just be yours.